Are you excited, Celine?
Yay!
Yes! So we're going to Byron Bay for a few days. Yes! So, pasok lang namin guys. Ito yung aming place dito.
Wow,
That's nice.
Is this for Selena
We're gonna do a quick tour guys before kami kakain. So, this is the room.
This is my room.
That is Ate Paris' room.
Where's my
Celine's
daddy's
bed.
room?
Oh, meron pa silang paano dito oh.
Where's daddy's room?
Pa mirror on the wall.
This is where our clothes are gonna be, Mine.
That's right, yeah.
Mine, there's hangers to our room.
Yes, that's the closet. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. It's currently 1:25 in the afternoon. And nandito kami ngayon sa sasakyan. As you can see, si mami nyo ay naka-mook up kasi today is the day. So, nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng Rebel Sports kasi si Daddy Mike pumasok doon para Lig! Give that to Lini girl. What's wrong? Para bumili ng regalo for William. And yeah, so yung birthday party niya ay ngayong hapon at 2 o'clock. And so yeah, so it's nearly 1:30. So kukunin lang namin yung regalo niya dito. Diretso na kami doon sa reception nila, which is the Jungle Time in Tingalpa, kung saan nag-birthday sa Ate Paris doon din i-held yung birthday niya. So after ng birthday party ay pupunta na tayo ng Byron Bay. Here are the kids. Wow. Good afternoon, guys. How are we?
Good.
Good.
Today? How's your day today?
I think they're good. How's your day? Good. Are you excited?
Good.
Are you excited, Celine?
Yay!
Yes! So we're going to Byron Bay for a few days. Yes!
For 4 days.
Yeah, so mga gamit namin andyan na sa likuran. And yeah, ready na yung mga kids. So ayan, yan na yung mga damit nila from birthday party. Diretso na kasi kami. So yeah. Kaya pakita ko sa inyo yung mga outfit nila mamaya. Yung kilay ni mami nyo ay ganyan pa. So very dark pa rin siya guys. Hindi ko siya binasa kasi sabi nung girl lalo kahapon na hindi ko rin basain for 24 hours. So ayan, hindi ko siya binasa. So tonight maliligo tayo, maghilamos, ganyan. And yeah, hopefully mag-ano siya, tone down ang kanyang kulay. At the moment, it's very strong. It's very strong, my lord. Ayan, oh. Oh. Princess, what is wrong? Daddy. Daddy is coming back soon. He just went to get William's present. And also, tingnan nyo guys, ang cute ng aking hairpin.
Like the one
Oh,
with
super
leaves.
nice.
Is the bag the one with my name?
Oh, I don't know. Did you bring it?
Yeah?
Probably on the back. What's wrong, Celine? I love you, Celine. Celine, I love you, Celine. Oh, no. See, listen. I love you, Ate Paris.
I love you, Paris. I mean, Celine.
Mina, I love you, Paris.
I love you, Celine. Mommy.
Mommy, that's right, honey. I love you, Celine.
Yeah, my Bible.
Oh, your Bible. Ay, so sluggy.
Alright. My.
Pabalik na sa Daddy Mike, guys. Yan yung kanyang bit-bit, oh. It's soccer ball kasi si William naglalaro ng soccer. So sabi ni Daddy Mike, yeah, he'd love that one. Pero lumabas ulit si Daddy Mike, bumili ng birthday bag, tsaka card somewhere there. Very sleepy naman yung ating baby Celine. That's why paiyak-iyak, guys. Kasi hindi yan siya nagnap. Talagang pinlano namin na hindi siya pagnap para pagbiyahe namin ng papuntang Byron Bay kasi nga 2 hours, diba? Make sure na hindi siya paiyak-iyak. So, makakatulog siya ba? So, that's why she's very stupid. Oh! What happened? What happened? Where's the resibo manak? Ay. So, ito yung resibo, guys. Ayan, it's $35. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, sana, kinunan mo ng gift receipt ba? But just in case hindi nila gusto or something, they can always return it and, change something else. Is Daddy calling now?
Daddy, no.
Yeah, it is Daddy.
Daddy,
Hi, Bob.
How old's William?
5.
Alright. Have you got a pen there?
Yes.
Alright, bye.
Love you, bye. Grabe, may pen ba talaga? Ayan. See if this one works. Ay. Hang on, sweetheart. Hang on, just give me a second.
A few moments later.
Hi, Ling Ling! Yay! So cute! Tingnan niyo ang pa-outfit ni Baby Celine.
And guys,
And Ate Paris is.
what time now?
So cute. Dito na kami,
There
guys.
is jungle time.
Are you excited?
I know something song with Jay that we're going now. Jungle time!
Jungle time! Diyan kami nag-park. And
I just figured it out from there. I just figured out from there.
wala nang space kasi dami ng tao.
My stupid ha. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So many times before.
Nak, di ba na-share mama sa outfit, be? Yeah, just hold like that. Look, you're covering it. Can you see mama's outfit? Huh? Can you? Come in na. Party animals, this way. Whoa. Nak, we have to tie your laces when we get up there, okay?
And so for William's birthday to them? Oh, nice. William's birthday to our parents. Yeah, sorry.
Allah! Enjoy na enjoy natin Ate Paris, oh. Woo! Good job! Ito rin na gustong maghanap ng bola, hindi man siya makapasok. Yeah, it's too far enough. Kaluoy ba? Bataan eh. Too far. Let's go find another one. Come on. Come on. This way. We'll go to Daddy. Yan ang ating baby Celine. Laro-laro pa more. Sa Ate Paris ay nandoon, guys. Oh, yan sa mataas na yan. Kasama si Daddy Mike. Kaya, dito ako kay baby Celine. Good job! Make some sounds? Wow! Good job! Yeah, that's fun, isn't it? gonna sing happy birthday. Go in the middle. Look, you're gonna sing happy birthday. You have to stand in the middle with the other kids. Just put it there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear William. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Everyone of William's birthdays, he's always making a little speech about his birthday, so I just want to thank everybody here for coming out today. Especially thank my family, my parents, my mom, my dad. Everyone all the way from the U.S. I picked them up this morning, so for 36 hours you guys have been awake now. But thank you all for coming as well.
Welcome to Byron Bay. Time check guys, it's now 6 o'clock ng gabi and we are now in... Where are we?
Byron Bay.
We're in Byron Bay. Kakamping lang namin guys. Nag-park kami dyan. Maghahanap muna kami na makakain. Actually last ng ating baby Sally. Ayan, so it's a little bit cool. As expected. So, dito kami. So, dali may kinahanap yung restaurant na ano daw. Maganda yung bibig. Hala. Ay, anak. It's raining. Come on. Hala, umuulan siya guys. Oh, Lord. Yan yung Daddy Mike ko. Magte-take away lang daw kami kasi doon na kami kakain sa ano namin, room namin. Ah, it's here. Oh, no. Quick, 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 quick. Fish mangoes. What are you eating? What are you ordering? Natulog yan siya guys, the whole way.
You might as well get that footer.
Huh?
You might as well get that footer.
Really?
It's not even sticky.
Oh, what's that? Is that from your
By the time you get mine,
body bag?
it's gonna be
Yeah, it's not
gonna
sticky.
fuck your time.
It's not sticky, mine. It's not sticky.
At least
Careful now, because it can go to your dress. You know what's gonna happen.
cold.
It's a bit cold, isn't it? What is it?
A few moments later.
We're inside now. Hala, Daddy! Come! Kakapasok lang talaga namin, guys. Look! Does that look familiar to you?
Maybe it's fine, right?
Yeah, we have the same. Remember?
I didn't even know that was.
Yeah!
But it's even.
Does it look the same now?
But it's bigger.
It's actually the same.
But it's bigger.
It's
Tiga. So, pasok lang namin guys. Ito yung aming place dito. Ooh, we're very excited. Anyways, hindi pa namin dinala yung mga gamit namin dito kasi kakain muna kami. It's nearly 7 o'clock and ito yung aming binili sa fish and chip shop. So,
Mommy,
yan.
can I take off my
Sure, Nala. Give me a second. Okay. Hi, baby!
daddy?
Daddy. Daddy.
Wow, that's
Oh, that's nice.
Is this for Selena?
We're gonna do a quick tour, guys, before kami kakain. So this is the room.
This is my room.
That is Ate Paris' room.
Where's my
Celine's
dad's
bed.
room?
Oh, meron pa silang pa ano dito, oh.
Where's Daddy's room?
Pa mirror on the wall.
Daddy.
They have TV.
My
Not you have TV.
room. My dad's side is your room.
Oh, nice. Down.
I'm gonna let
You know girls aren't sleeping in here tonight, yeah? What?
Yes, do you wanna get up? Then you have to take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. The other one?
Alright, let's take this foot before I off.
On me. 1, 2, 3, go.
This is gonna be for our clothes.
Careful. Ayush. Careful lang, taas sa beginning of bed lang.
This is where our clothes are gonna be, Mike.
That's right, yeah.
There's hangers to our room.
Yes, that's the closet. We'll go eat first. Come on.
My first can have a look.
Oh, yes, we'll have a look at that bathroom.
This is
Have a look.
where.
What's that? Yeah, it says that it's been cleaned and all lang.
Huh?
It says it's been cleaned. Come this way. And here's the main bathroom. And the shower. Shower speed. There's another mirror here. Hala, nagkagubot naman yung naong sa inyo, mami, eh. And here's the lunchroom. It's big enough. It's actually real big for everyone. Kitchen. Yan. My fridge. Celine. Let's see what's inside the fridge. Milk, as always. They always have that one milk. What's in there? Show me. Washing. Cool. And then we have like a little balcony sa labas dyan. Pinapakain mo na kami. Ganito pala ang kanilang chips. Daddy, their chips big. It's wedges. Just, where's the calamari? Ganito ang kanilang calamari. Yung iba pala sa inisip namin, eh. Very cool.
Paris.
Eat na, Daddy, come.
Yeah. Come sit with Daddy, come on.
Come on. Here, you can sit here, next to Daddy. How about you, Day? Come here. You can sit next to Daddy. Come on, Mommy and Daddy's eating na. This is yum na yun.
Yeah.
Sweet potato? Come. I didn't know the calamari is like this. Yeah, it should be like calamari rings.
It's Papa. No, calamari is octopus.
Yeah.
Octopus doesn't come in rings. When you think about octopus tentacles, bum.
Yeah, but calamari is because that's their belly. It's calamari.
I need the prawn head for you.
Where's Linite? Mga bagets. They're full, Bob. Because they just had food there. It was late in the afternoon. Birthday. They will eat later. They fell asleep in the car. Kaya mamaya pa yun sila matutulog. Nakatulog man sa sasakyan. Hayaan mo na.
Hello?
Ate? Ate? Where's the linen? Where's linen? How's the prawn, eh?
Good pepper.
So you don't eat that like that? Just
Head?
the inside? For sure you eat.
I don't eat the head. You eat the head if you want it.
Bit? Same one.
Huh? You eat the head if you want it. I don't eat the prawn head.
Like this, yeah? Is that?
Done.
Nothing in the back of that? Mmm. Yung sweet potato, bagay na nito nila yung manipis. Don't go inside the closet and that, because you might lock yourself and we can't get you out, okay?
Mommy, where's the chips? Oh, they're massive.
The other. Look!
My macaroni. I don't want something like this.
You talk to daddy. Let's daddy share.
Dad, where's the American Java?
Have a look at Ladybug. Trying to turn on. This whole Paris before. So this will be our home until, did you say until Tuesday night, Daddy, or did you book somewhere else?
No, yeah, I've got to finish night.
The Tuesday night? Wednesday yung uwi natin sa Brisbane. So alam niyo ba guys, yung yung biyahe from jungle time to dito is just less than 2 hours. So kung galing sa amin, it's just 2 hours lang talaga. Malapit lang kung tutuusin. And we are now in a different state kasi Brisbane is Queensland. Itong Byron Bay ay nasa New South Wales na. So, that's interesting. First time ko ba?